Okay, so I'm dropping this into the pickle, and after about 5 minutes, we'll bring it out. All right, so I'm going to get the ring out of the pickle, and the pickle I use is citric acid. And I'm going to get a brass brush, add a bit of detergent, and then we're going to give this a bit of a scrub. And you can see brass brushes are great because it just takes off all of that fire scale and makes the ring look nice and clean. So once it's fairly cleaned up, we can dry that off thoroughly, and then we can take it over and pop it on the mandrel and make it round. I always make sure I really dry my pieces though, because any water is going to rust your tools, so make sure your hands are super dry and the ring is dry as well.